What's up everyone? Welcome to Eternal Glow. I'm Diana and I'm very excited about today's video because it is my results video for using the Myolift Mini for what I wanted to be 8 weeks. I was using it every other day. My goal was 8 weeks, but I had to stop at 6 weeks. And I'll explain why. And I do have before and after photos for you guys, which really surprised me, so stick around for that. So I was at the 6-week mark, right on the dot, and I was using the device and the screen froze on me and the buttons weren't working and I had a little freak out moment, but I emailed customer service. They got back to me super fast within an hour or two, super nice. I had suggested that maybe I could take out the battery and put it back in to reset it. They thought that it was a good suggestion, but it didn't work for me. So I ended up having to send it back, and I will be getting it back soon. It's going to be replaced. I'm just very thankful that their customer service was so great. I won't be without it for too much longer. I really miss it. I really miss it. So instead of pouting, I decided to take my 6-week pictures to see if there had been any changes. Since I see myself in the mirror every day, it's pretty hard to tell. And I'm really happy that I did, and I decided to go forward with this video because the results were pretty awesome. Just to remind you guys, it wasn't that long ago that I started this channel, and one of my first videos was about the Myolift Mini, and I talked about it, what it does, how it's true microcurrent, and how to use it. And I also put together some routine videos for you guys to do along with me. I know it can be daunting when you first get the device to know how to use it, and this makes it super easy and super fun. I made them with a few different options. There's one with music and talking, there's one with talking, no music, and one with music and no talking. I think I got that right. So I highly suggest, if you haven't done a routine yet with the Myolift Mini, that you check those out. I also wanted to let you guys know that I did contact the company and I let them know that I created those videos, and they graciously gave me a discount code. If you guys were interested in buying the Myolift Mini, it gives you 5% off of your first purchase. I'll put the link below. You'll use that link, and then for the code, you would use Eternal Glow, which is the name of my channel, to get your 5% off. So now that I've let you know all that good info, how about we check out the before and after pictures? Let's do it. So let's look at the head-on picture first. Immediately, what I notice is my jawline and the fact that my face is now actually tapered. It has a more oval look rather than a square look. As we age, our faces tend to get more square. And also as we age, our muscles from talking and stress and all that stuff, they get tense and they need to relax in order to not be so angular and severe. So what the Myolift did for my jawline was it totally relaxed the muscles, especially on the right side of my face, which is your left side when you're looking at the picture. It also created a lift in my cheekbone area. If you look at the picture on the right, that's the after photo, and you can look at my eyelid and see that you can see more of it now in the after photo. And it's not as droopy. So I'm very excited about continuing to use the device and to continue to see a lift. Let's move on to a profile pic, semi-profile pic. Okay, here is where I pretty much let out a gasp. Like, you can totally see that on the picture on the left, there's a very downward energy happening. And with the picture on the right, it's a lifted energy. So it lifted the jawline, it lifted and relaxed that muscle so that it just looks narrower and softer, smoother, more feminine. You can see that it helped lift my cheek and my laugh line area, just my whole cheek. My whole cheek looks like it's a bit more lifted. My lips even look a tad more prominent. I just look more refreshed and lifted. And that's just after 6 weeks using it every other day. You're supposed to use it for 8 weeks every other day, and then once a month to keep your results. I was planning on doing it once a week after that because why not? I plan on having Sundays be kind of like a take care of me at home spa day. So I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the results. The Myolift is specifically for toning of the muscles, and I've done facial exercises before and I think they're great. I just don't feel like they give me an impact like the Myolift Mini. So I'm really excited to get it back. I can't wait to get it back and continue using it and keep lifting so I don't need to get a facelift. Anyways, I encourage you guys to check out my routine videos, my about video with the Myolift if you want to know more and in depth about what it does. And if you're thinking about buying it, definitely use my discount code to get your 5% off. The code is Eternal Glow, and I will list it all in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think about my before and after pictures. Also, if you like this video and you like videos about anti-aging makeup, anti-aging skincare devices, please give me a subscribe. I post twice a week, so I will see you soon. And until then, keep on glowing.